Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to mute a group video chat on the Telegram app using your PC, especially with the new update. This is a great feature if you want to join a group video chat, but need to stay silent or minimize background noise. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, find and open the group where you want to take part in the video chat. Next, look for the call icon at the top of the group chat window. This icon sits right in the middle of the available icons. Click on it to proceed. After clicking the call icon, you'll see the option to start video chat. Go ahead and select that. Telegram will then ask you to choose your account, confirming that you want to start the video chat from this identity. Select your account and confirm the step. Now you're in the video chat. To mute yourself, simply look for the mute icon, which is usually placed right in the middle of the call screen. Click on the mute icon, and your microphone will be turned off. That's it. You can now participate in the group video chat silently. When you want to unmute yourself, just click on the mute icon again to toggle your microphone back on. This update makes it incredibly easy to control your audio during group video chats on Telegram, giving you flexibility and control at your fingertips. Whether you're in a busy environment or just want to listen without distractions, muting yourself has never been easier. Thanks for watching.